Hi everyone! Today's video is part 7 of Jazz and I's journey on building a mini ramp in our backyard. As you can see, Jazz gets a shot here. Where I'm at right now is doing the top layer. We are putting down the top layer and urethaning it down. What we're using here, we went to Lowe's and talked to some people. This is called Luan. It's a 5mm thick processed board. Basically, it's sandable. It's already sanded, ready to go. It's made to be one side only. You don't want to use this side. There's a sticker that says only use this side. It's really nice. It almost looks like bamboo.
Yeah.
And it's thin, so it's really flexible. So we've decided to use this as our top coat. And we've looked into Skate Light and what's the other one? Gator
Skin.
Gator Skins?
Yeah.
And man, for one 4x8 sheet of either of those, you're looking at about 150 bucks.
Yeah.
Roughly. This stuff is $22, $23 for one 4x8 sheet. So that's what we went with. So we've got 2 layers of plywood down here. And before I put this Luan down, I put Thompson's water seal down over top of this to seal it down. It's not sealed on the bottom side because wood needs to breathe in this case, so we have sealed the top surface with the water seal and all around the sides and the edges. It's very important. One of our last comments on the last segment was talking about putting sealer down. We appreciate that comment because it really did spark something in me and made me really want to concentrate on sealing this ramp for longevity. So we put Thompson's water seal down over the plywood, and then we are putting down the Luan over top of that. I bought mini wax here, urethane for the top coat, and as Jazz can probably get a good shot, I just put this down one coat on the flat, and I put it down real heavy. It's super shiny, it's super thick, and it's going to seal all inside the cracks and everything. So it's turning out really nice. So what we did here is I did glue down some of this Luan around the outside edges, and as you can see by the screws I put down, I put all the screws are a lot closer around all the outside edges, so that it holds down where the seams meet. It's going to be nice, and you can probably see in the video there with Jazz looking at it, the seams are really nice and even. I've countersunk all those screws so that they're down in there, and I'm urethaning over top of all that so it's nice and sealed. No need to put those screws real close together in the middle, in the middle areas of the wood. So, I mean, I'm really super happy with the way it's coming out. It looks super nice. I just have to do this section here. I wanted to show you guys the exposed part so you can see the 2 layers of plywood. I put the 2 layers of plywood, I put the first layer underneath one way and the second layer a crisscross way for strength. So I mean, I think we're really doing a good job. So anyway, we're almost to the end of this journey here. I got to build the decks and the railings, but I just want to give you guys a little update on the top surface. I want to get this top surface down so that it's weather resistant, because rain can really screw up this wood. So it was important for us to get the top surface finished and urethane so that part is done, so we don't have to worry about any rain or weathering, destroying the ramp surface. So anyway, it's part 7 of our journey here. We hope you guys found it helpful and useful. If you did, hit that like button for more content, hit the bell. We appreciate you guys checking out our channel as always. And again, until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye.